Today, I'm going to show you how to debone and butterfly a lamb shoulder only using a kitchen knife, no cleaver or boning knife, just under 4 minutes. First, identify the joint between the knuckle and the blade, then cut through the meat. Lamb shoulder can be divided into a knuckle end and a blade end without using a saw. Separate the knuckle end from the blade end. Turn around the knuckle end, see where the knuckle is, and the bone end. Cut through the meat until the knife's blade is touching the bone. Repeat the same process for removing the blade end. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and like. Bones can be used for broth. Remove the gland to reduce the strong smell of the lamb. This is optional. Now we have the deboned shoulder into 2 separate pieces. Thank you for watching.